Hi there, this is Abdul Hamid. Today is very special day for me because it's the last day in my academic life, Institute of Social Welfare. I have completed my graduation degree from Institute of Social Welfare and my post-graduation is going on. Maybe 2 months later, my result will be published by authority, and here is my friend.
Myself, Avid.
Okay.
I am his bosom friend.
Okay, yes. Really, Afridi is a decent man and he is also hardworking person and he also a self-motivated person and he always ready to do any types of activities, and he also hold a post in our maybe in our family of social welfare, and you are the former president of this organization. Okay. Mr. Afridi, tell me one special man who contribute in your life.
Actually, it is a very long journey.
Okay.
And here I give contribution to my mother because his contribution I cannot generate, and my father also contribute here, but I give most contribution to my mother.
Oh, okay. I want to mention one special person who is my younger brother, and without this person's sacrifice, I can't complete my academic graduation and post-graduation degree also. So I express my great gratitude to my younger brother, Mr. Abdul Rahim. My father maybe fell in a trap in 2012 and lost maybe 12 lakh BDT. So it was a big amount on the time, and my father decide you or your younger brother can continue your study. On the time, my younger brother take decision, please brother, you can continue your study and I want to work. So this person, for that reason, this person is really special for me. And Afridi, can you share some incident which occurred in your campus, and it can be awkward or it's the best event in your life?
Actually, such incident didn't happen with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me some achievement in your life.
Actually, I am an unemployed person.
Okay.
And I have some good degree, but I am not still a successful man, I think.
Okay.
And I have to take preparation for become success in future.
Okay, as far as I know, you stay on the right track and you are struggling to get good job in future. Maybe it will possible to get good job in future. So
Actually,
why you are frustrated? Why you are disappointed?
Actually, I am not disappointed.
Okay.
But everything depends on luck.
Okay.
So I'm waiting when Allah give me a good offer.
Okay.
Then it happened.
Okay.
And I am trying to achieve, and I am struggling now.
Okay. Here, Shagor. Tell me
What
about
do you
yourself.
want
Tell me
from
about
me?
yourself.
I'm Tawhid Kabir Sagar. I just completed my journey from University of Dhaka, and my friend Hamid who helped me behind this journey, and I'm very thankful to her. Sorry, him.
Okay. No issues.
No issues, Shagar.
No issues.
Thank you, Hamid. I changed your gender.
Oh,
and
no.
I'm sorry
No
for
issue,
that.
no issues, man. No issues, man. Mr. Shagor, in my whole journey, I noticed one person, and who is you. And you have a great capabilities, and you have great resource. Maybe I have a big request to you. Please try to use your capabilities and resources in a proper way. Maybe
Yes.
in future you will do better.
Yes,
So-
I believe that, and I just completed my journey, and I have no achievement, but in future I want to do something good. And
Okay. Is we
I
stay?
believe in my life.
Is we stay on right track?
Yes, I'm in right track.
Okay, tell
And
me.
I'm trying.
Okay, tell me something about our institution or about our subject. Do you like our subject?
I'm the student of social welfare, and you also the student of social welfare. So
Okay.
I hope you know better than me, and I get help from you.
Okay, tell me something, if you want to mention.
I request you that you mention
Okay,
something
okay.
that is
Mr. Shagor, first time I don't like my subject because on the time I thought that this was not best subject in our campus, Dhaka University. But when gradually I fell in love in this subject, when I searching this job opportunity, I am really become astonished to see the job sector, and it's a practical based subject. And we also know one definition. Can you say one definition? What is social work?
Social work is a professional activity and it has a scientific base.
Okay.
So, but when we do field work, we all are fakibats.
Okay, maybe in our graduation and post graduation there include two field work.
Yes,
okay,
but we don't do this properly because it has no professional background and we don't complete it
maybe it's a
in proper way.
great regret that only for Bangladesh it's not the professional subject, but when you
Yes.
go abroad it's the professional subject. So when you stay on the abroad, you have to need proper practice in these types of field work.
Yes, but I have no passions to go abroad, and my friend Hamid who will go abroad. So it's very helpful to Hamid to enter in the professional life by using social work knowledge. But I think I have.
Inshallah, we'll do better together. See you again
Yes,
with another
and
video. Okay.
Thank you, Hamid.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.